Welcome to third day of experience about GT. I want to explain it thoroughly, and I would rather say that you have to watch the first two videos about my screening video as well as the video on psychological test, so that you can get a good idea about it, and then only I would rather request you to go and see that videos. The link has been given into the cards which have been shown now, and you have to go in a sequence so that you can understand it very properly. So coming to my group task, see, as we all know that I just want to tell you the procedure how the group tasks have been taken. The officer who takes a group task is called an GTO, which is famously SSB people know what GTO means. It is not a group task officer. Now the group tasks have been divided into 6 to 7 main tasks which we have to see it very properly. The first is GD, the second is GPE, the third would be the PGT or progressive group task, the fourth will be half group task, then it will be command task, then individual obstacles, then it will be an lecturate in between, and then the last one would be the full group task, whatever we call. Now we have to understand by dividing the whole group task, because this is very important to understand it. Like my experience for group task was always good. I was very good in tying, I was very good logically how to put the fata ballis and all, which comes in your progressive group task. But the group task is majorly divided into two sessions. One would be like a session which would be taken inside or indoor session, and another session will be an outdoor session. The first indoor session what would be your group discussion. So there will be two group discussions which will be there, two topics which will be there. At our time Corona was at its verge, so all the topics were related to Corona. Also there was one topic because I would rather say that the topic of Sushant Singh Rajput. It was like why the youth in India are doing suicides. This was a topic, but they also mentioned that recently we have seen that Sushant Singh Rajput was died. So you have to be very I can say that updated with your current affairs, very updated about news, very updated about the current affairs or overall things whatever is going on in and around you. That is very important about this. I would rather say that I was very good viewer about YouTube channels. I used to go through YouTube's very well. Rather I used to never follow the TV news channels. I would used to follow the YouTube channels like News Laundry. I would certainly prefer that thing. And also there are many UPSC preparation channels like Study IQ and Unacademy. I am not promoting them all, but I would say that they also have a very good content. The content is very important, and whenever you are going through an YouTube channels and you are going through an UPSC preparation channels, where you can get an unbiased news, which is very important in SSB. See, whenever you are seeing a news channels, you are seeing very biased news. Nowadays the news is not a very proper thing whenever you are seeing on the TV, but whenever you are seeing on the YouTube, you will find very good channels. You can also see, preferably in some more days Rahul will also make videos on current affairs wherever he will tell you about the things and all. So that would be very good for you, and you are getting a very good platform here to see this. So I would rather say that go through this platform, utilize it, and I would request that subscribe this channel so that you will get notifications about the updates whichever are coming on, whichever news is coming or something about SSB are coming, new videos are coming, he will tell you on. So that thing keeps you updated about GD, so that will help you in GD. And in my first discussion only, or first video, I would rather say that I have given a secret of an group discussion. See, there is only one secret of group discussion: is transmit and receive. While receiving, be calm, be attentive, listen to people. you'll get many ideas, you'll make many I can say that things related to the topic, and you can continue. Whenever you are discussing about this group discussion, listen to an GTO very carefully. What does an GTO say? I will for you all, I will repeat the sentence, or I will bring that idea what GTO says. GTO says that, gentlemen, this is an open-ended group discussion. I want you all to discuss as you are on a cup of a tea or a coffee, as you are there on your college canteen, or you are discussing in your what I can say in your office hours. So this is what words GTO uses. See, these words are very importance. Like why does a GTO say that it is an open-ended discussion? It means something. It is an open-ended discussion means that there is no conclusion for this thing. You can speak as many times you can until he says stops. You can have different leads, you can carry out different opinions, you can pinch up your points, you can share your experience, you can talk about your experience and all. This is what is important of an group discussion. Okay, so this you have to understand. Coming to GPE. Now I can say that GPE is a factor which can recommend you. See, any officer, if you want to be an officer, why defense services have an officer? Officer is a person who plans. So group planning is an utter importance. Now how he plans is very important. Now in group planning exercise, definitely I will explain you in further videos about group planning exercise, because it is very important how to tackle it. The first and two tricks I will tell you here, what I will explain you in details in coming videos. The first thing is like a buddy pair. Every time whenever you are tackling a situation, you should be in buddy pair. Okay, though separately Rahul will explain you in his video about a group planning exercise, where you can get an answer for what is a buddy pair, how to tackle the situation for that. And with that, with a buddy pairs, you can tackle the problem in two ways. That is called as a backup plan. Okay, so these are two important aspects of your group planning exercise, which are very important and very I can say that very good factors by which you can get recommended. That is a difference between a recommended candidate and non-recommended candidates are this small factors. Okay, so this is done. Then there is a progressive group task, where you will be given an fata and bali, where you have to understand how to solve the things. You have to be very logical, you have to experience things, do wherever you are, take out chairs. Like now I'm sitting on a chair, every chair will have two things, two hands. Okay, now these two chairs can be utilized to build your cantilever. See, cantilever word you have to not use while doing GTO. You can use support and like lock and support or anything, whatever you prefer to, but everywhere try to make an cantilever, either by using rope, either by using anything, because cantilever will give you a solution. Okay, now cantilever means what, I will explain you in one video, where we will try to bring it in a physical form and explain you. So that stay tuned with this channel so that you can get it, and you can go through that and understand how to tie it, how to make it possible. Okay, coming to HGT. See, PGT and HGT is always one thing, is about your group task. What does a group task means, that also you have to understand. That means that your group has to do. See, he will give you to solve PGT, he will tell you to solve it in 45 minutes. See, when with my experience, I would say we were hardcore repeaters. So-called the people who will come and never get recommended, we are called as hardcore repeaters. So people always say that hardcore repeaters are respected by juniors or the freshers, but are not respected by the assessors. Okay, so that is like a joke on us. But jokes apart, I would say that you can see that either the hardcore repeater batch or a group will be very calm, cool, and very enthusiastic, or it will be like problem to their own group. So they can be both ways. but how to keep your group gelled is very important. So we were very gelled group. We completed our progressive group task in just 20 minutes. Where the GTU gave us 45 minutes, we completed in 20 minutes. That was very surprising for the GTU, and he was very happy with us. And we were giving each other way. Like if any one of us knows that that person was going to do it, and other were helping him to do. The ultimate aim was to complete the task. So everyone was giving their chance. We were giving in our GD also, in our GP also, everyone was given a chance. We never said that this person didn't speak, well, allow him to speak, because everyone was like 26 attempt, 23 attempt, 12 attempt, 8 attempt. 8 was an average lowest. I would say that lowest attempt was 7 and 8, which me and chess number 44. I was chess number 46 and chess number 44 were 8 attempts. Other than that, everyone was about to win. So we were very settled group, very matured group, and we showed that maturity there. So that is what happened in PGT. And at GT also, as I performed well in my PGT, I was knowing that I can give ideas in PGT, but I never overpowered group. One of my friends said that I want to perform in this, if please help me out in this, and you please give me chance to do it. I said that give your plans, I will not speak, I will just help you to do that. That spirit what we had, like everyone want to get recommended, every one of us will get recommended. So, and we also were knowing that no, it is impossible that everyone will get recommended, but any one of us will get recommended. So that was an idea for us, and we kept that in mind. And when coming to an individual obstacles, when I came, Air Force obstacles are a bit tough than Navy and Army, because there will be monkey crawl, there will be means monkey. You can say that there would be a jump, monkey jump. Then there would be I can say climbing a rope. So this all things are bit different than the individual obstacles in Army and Navy. Everything about the individual obstacles is been discussed in separate video which is done by Rahul, and I would say that all the things of AFSB Mysore have been explained in detail, so you can see it in a card, and please do see that video so that you can understand it clearly. After coming to an individual, from individual obstacle, we will just know about the lecturate, which is also an indoor. After your lunch, you will go to an lecturate. See, in lecturate, you have to speak for 3 minutes. Now, everyone are afraid of doing a lecturate. For me, lecturate was one thing. Whatever 4 topics has been given to me, I have to speak on one. Now, my general knowledge was good, as I used to see videos. Nowadays, videos are very prime source from where you can get the knowledge. So where I went through a couple of study IQ videos, I was having a good knowledge about an idea about in and around. So I was like, whichever topic comes, I will speak on. But what topic I got was China and US relations. Now, how I tackled with that was like I utilized my own experience. So it is very important to utilize your own experience in that. Like whenever I was speaking about China and US relations, I spoke about their trade war, I spoke about coronavirus, I spoke about their whatever is going on in South China Sea. Then what I pitched up about the trade war, and I brought up General Motors where I worked. I brought how the Indians and people are facing problem when there's a war between China and USA, and how the companies like General Motors and US company which is facing a problem in China, which was the biggest market for it. And as I worked in General Motors, I was doing in and around of it. I explained it very carefully, and how we people as an employee of this General Motors, we face problems. The other companies are facing it. See, war always brings an instability in the whole world, and that in or indirectly it will affect everyone. So how it affected me, how it affected my colleagues, how it affected my company, I explained it. and I completed my 2 minutes in this and 1 minute for introduction and telling other things. So that is what I shared, and here I was sharing it very confidently because I was knowing it and I was speaking truth. So that is what will help you in lecturate. So lecturate should be very firmly, you have to speak very calmly, very cool, and I would say that eye contact with all your group mates is very important. Group mates are your own. See, whenever you are giving a group task, whole of your group mates are like your body parts. So everyone has to be intact with you. When you are PGT, your group mates are also your non-living group mates are also there. That are nothing but your I can say that helping materials as well as the obstacles. So you have to utilize them to solve the problems. Then coming to your command task. Now command task is one thing where till that your group task officer or GTO has decided whom to get recommended or whom to kept as down. Now command task is like whenever he gives you a command task, you have to perform well. You have, as a commander, you have to speak, you have to tell your subordinates to work, and you have to also work. Commander is a person who works by his own hands also. Understand this very clearly. Commander is not a person who just gives command. Commander is a person who leads from a front. So you have to be the person to lead from a front, take risk whenever risks are there, and make sure that your subordinates are carefully taken to the other end. Okay, so that is what you have to utilize, and keep on speaking, tell them why you are doing that, so that the GTO also understand why you are utilizing this trick, why you are utilizing this way. So this is what I would say that command task is all about. And other than that, I would say that half group task and full group task are nothing but your PGT only. And everything I would say that Rahul had explained in his videos. So you go through that, understand it, and you will understand about GTO more.
I hope that you have gained a lot of experience of his and tips and tricks जो भी भैया ने दिए थे, ठीक है, आपको बहुत समझ में आए होंगे. Fine. So coming back to the point, Prathamesh wanted me to give something to you guys, okay, and also I was thinking something like this, so he boosted my confidence to do something like this, okay. So what we are planning at this moment is, so I have a lot of ebooks, right? For example, कर्नल MM नेहरू का नो फ्रिल्स एकेडमी का SSB बुक, SSB गाइड जो है उनकी बुक, जो कि उन्होंने पर्सनली लिखी है, ठीक है. फिर SSB क्रैक के ई बुक फॉर SSB एंड ई बुक फॉर OIR, एंड डिफेंस डाइट एजुकेशन का जो बुक है उनका OIR के लिए, एंड 2 मोर OIR के ई बुक्स है मेरे पास. फाइन. सो ऑल दिस गिव अवे along with one physical book that is my favorite book, that is for maths preparation for every kind of examination. For example, CDS हो गया, AFCAT हो गया, CAPF हो गया, SSC CGL हो गया. सो फास्ट ट्रैक की ऑब्जेक्टिव अरिहंस की पब्लिकेशन जो है, ठीक है, ये बुक, ये फिजिकल बुक जो है, ये फिजिकल बुक जो मैं प्रोवाइड करने वाला हूँ. सो ऑल दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस. फाइन. ऑल दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस. सो व्हाट इज द कॉन्टेस्ट, what you have to do for this moment? सब्सक्राइब करना है चैनल को, लाइक करना है, शेयर करना है. Comment one question that you felt that yes, this is the question which you need to ask to Prathamesh. Fine, because he is a recommended guy and we are planning to make another video for it also, in which FAQs रहेंगे. आप ही के questions उठा के मैं उनसे पूछूंगा. Fine, so he is going to give the answers for that. So एक comment करना है, and you need to follow 2 Instagram handles जो कि मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. एक मेरा है, एक मेरा दोस्त का है जो कि क्लोजली काम कर रहा है इस चैनल के लिए. फाइन. ही इज माय फ्रेंड, ही इज माय कलीग, ओके. सो आपको इन दोनों को भी फॉलो करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस, वी आर गोइंग टू चेक दिस 20th of November. 20th of November को FAQ का वीडियो आएगा, उसी में भैया पिक करेंगे एक विनर जो कि फिजिकल बुक के साथ सारे ई बुक को प्रोवाइड करने वाले हम लोग, एंड बाकी के 10 जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बाकी जो भी 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे उन सबको ई बुक्स प्रोवाइड करने वाला हूं मैं पर्सनली. Fine. So this is it. This is a sweet kind of gesture from my side to you guys, so that you can feel motivated. So that is it. Yeah. If you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe this channel.